What is up, YouTube? So, this is a car channel. As all of you know, I have 3 videos uploaded so far. Those are all show videos or Integra plastic dipping process. Shout out to the Integra right there. But there are big changes coming to the channel. I got a friend of mine, Jake Grind, on board. He's helping me out doing behind the scenes stuff and doing some extra filming, you know, on the side for bigger projects. So there's going to be a huge step up in production quality. So, you know, big changes are coming. It's going to be awesome. So you guys are going to want to stay tuned. With that being said, let's get started. All right, so I'm at Quick Check right now. I'm waiting for Hannah Ray, gonna pick her up, and then we're gonna head to Jevin's house and start the headlights. And hopefully we could get that done before the game, because right now it's 2 o'clock, and he said it'll take about an hour to do, and we have to leave at 3 for the game because it's a half an hour away. So hopefully it can get done in time. If not, he'll stay behind and finish his headlights. We'll come back later and go to the car wash, and I'll do some shots of his car with the new headlights. Look, there's Ray in her blazer. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is Hannah Ray. She's the coolest girlfriend ever.
Oh, thanks.
Do you know what she wanted for Christmas? Guess what she wanted for Christmas? What'd you want for Christmas, Ray?
An exhaust.
And I got her an exhaust. So yeah, she's in the cars, which is why she's awesome. But I mean, there's more reasons than that, but it's one of them.
No.
Say hello.
Hello.
Good. Jevin!
Hello!
Hey!
No.
That's Jevin. That's him.
The one, the only, the myth, the legend, the Jevin.
Jevin, what's good?
My hair looks like shit, but so good. How we doing? How we doing?
I missed you, Jen.
Oh. One.
This is why. So here it is. This is his G35. Got some cool rims on it. D-bad's back, and he has an exhaust. Look at this muffler. Look how big it is. He's got a good-looking door handle. Oh no! Uh-oh! Jevin! I just opened the door. You saw me. I have a witness.
But you know that it's broken.
True. Okay, so we have a small complication. Jevin lost the remote for the garage and now we can't get in, which is kind of important to do. Hey Lily. This is Lily, Jevin's dog. She has a blue eye and a black eye and she's adorable. She's adorable. Oh. Alright, update. We put a new battery in his keypad, so now we have the garage open finally.
That is really close.
What, dude?
Oh my god, Jen.
So, first things first. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I was excited for that.
Last words. This is
Are we gonna do a
quick.
how-to? Is that what this is?
No, this is just a vlog. It's for a vlog.
Oh, okay.
Vlog!
Whatever that means. How do you open a trunk?
The trunk or the hood?
The hood. Yeah, well, this is the hood.
This is the trunk. That's the hood. The engine's in the back of this car. You guys didn't know that?
Oh, okay. So let's
okay.
see. Let's see.
This is my trunk where I keep my spare engine.
Oh, of course,
Okay.
of course.
Yeah, you guys don't know about the dual engine drive in these? Oh my god, dual engine drive. It's amazing.
We have to lift this up, go underneath, take the bumper,
There's 20 bolts on the bottom holding
take the bumper off, and then take these out. These
And there's 3 bolts over there.
and those.
We have to pop all these.
You don't have to go inside the wheel well?
No.
Okay.
There's 3 or 4 screws. Can't remember. We'll find them when we get there. I did this last time. You had this much room to work with. Literally, that was it. You had to try to undo the plug with this much room.
So what'd you do?
I cut the wires because I couldn't undo the plug.
Okay.
And I redid all of them. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well, that one came
Well, something happened.
It came out of here somewhere.
Oh yeah, it came out of there. All right, well we'll put that back in.
Okay, so Ray and I had to leave to go film this basketball game here, and then we're gonna go back to Jevin's house. Hopefully, he's finished with the headlights and he goes straight to the car wash. All right, so we're back at Jev's now, and let's see what he got done while we were gone.
Tell me if you can see
Wait, hold up, we have issues?
Tell me if you can see a difference in these lights. Are you ready?
Okay.
Actually,
Really
I don't even need
cold.
to put the keys in. Ready?
Yeah.
What do you see the difference between the left light and the right light?
Those work. Those don't.
I don't know what to do. I have that headlight in, so I have to take it all apart.
Alright, so we finally got it in. Hopefully they're actually working, and this is the first time to turn it on. Let's go. Oh,
They
yeah.
all work, Jeff.
All of them work. Look at that. Ryan and I are at Wawa, and we're just kind of waiting for Jevin because we're going to go to the car wash his car, and then do take some videos and do a photo shoot. So hopefully he'll get back soon. Alright, so we're at the car wash now, and still no Jevin, so I'm going to wash my car because it's really dirty. And hopefully he'll come, you know, before 11. It's pretty late. You know, I have to be home at 11:30. So if he's not here by then, I guess I won't film his car tonight. Okay, so Jeff ended up not coming through, so Ray and I left the wash, but we're heading back to my house for a bit. And Jeff said he'll stop by. I don't know. We're just gonna hang out a little bit. It's too late now to do video. Alright, so Jevin's here. Yo! Turn them on! Oh, dude, they look so good. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so that side works though, and this side doesn't. It works like really dimly. The Integra has a dead battery, doesn't hold a charge. So we're gonna jump it now, and with this little jump box.
Hit
Oh,
the
we
boost.
both have. They both have jump boxes. Yeah, we're over here jumping my car, and Jeff's just in there. Looking at us.
Okay.
All right.
All right, tags. We're gonna get you back up and running for like a few seconds.
This thing feels so cheap.
It is, but it's not.
Oh, it's turning over. Oh, she's alive.
The light turned to red. What does that mean?
That means it's done. Like, it's not charging anymore. The battery's on. I got her started. Woo!
Taggy! Yes, Taggy! Stop, don't look at me.
Oh, we used to do this. We used to, when we would drive around, we would just shift like this. This is where we first started dating, Teggy.
I know, shh.
Don't cry, babe.
I'm not. Stop. Oh my god.
He's legit just popping in a neutral and just rolling out of my driveway.
I would too.
Look at him. There we go.
Real quiet. Oh my god.
I love
It's
it.
so obnoxious.